Let's take a look at this comfy microwave oven that I've owned now for 7 years. And the question you have to ask yourself here is, when you've designed the perfect product, why would you ever change it? Well, that just might be the situation we have here with this comfy countertop microwave oven, because after being used now for 7 years in our office, Comfy still uses this same model design today as when we bought it. To me, it's apparent that they've decided to prioritize reliability and affordability over adding questionable new bells and whistles like Wi-Fi and AI that just complicate everything from one model year to the next. So you gotta appreciate when a company stops changing things just for the sake of change. But to be clear, this is the perfect microwave for the right situation, which might not be yours. So first, I'll point out the top 3 things I like and then what I don't. And here's what I like. I like the simple one-handed door opening latch instead of a push button latch that always seems to be the first thing that breaks or ends up requiring so much force that the microwave skids across the counter. I like the turntable that ensures I get even heating, because this isn't something you always get in small microwaves. And I like that if I choose, I can turn off all the beeping noises by pressing and holding the 8 button for 3 seconds to turn it off or to turn it on. Other than that, I won't bore you with obvious feature demonstrations. I mean, come on, it's a microwave. But not everything is perfect. There are some downsides, and really, these are the only 2 I can come up with. First, it's black and shiny, and it shows smudges, so you'll want to keep a spray bottle and a towel nearby, or choose the white option. And second, it's just 700 watts. Many built-in microwaves are well over 1,000 watts, so in comparison, this can be kind of slow at times, depending on what you're heating. But that's not always a bad thing, because when I use more powerful microwaves, I often overdo it and scorch my food. And I've never scorched a meal in my comfy microwave. I guess slow and steady wins the race sometimes, right? Anyway, I hope this little video helps you in your microwave purchasing decision. Thanks for watching.